Okay, hey y'all. So after I did the video of me just prepping the counter, I said I know that I have some nice stuff, some nice blinky glam items, decor, that I'm gonna go around the house and I'm gonna go shopping. Take that off of this cabinet, go in the garage and grab this and that, and look at all the beautiful items that I found. Just gonna show you. I found my beautiful Glam candle holders. Isn't this gonna go fabulous in here? And I found what is this called? A candelabra? I can never say it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I thought this would go nice in the bathroom. I don't really get to use it. I only use it for tablescapes. And I said, this is a waste of money, you know, buying stuff for tablescapes when I actually could be using it in my Glam bathroom. So I found that. And as you know, in the last video, I had showed you that I had the identical tray, the mirror tray, and that was in the picture. And I said, oh, this is looking too luxurious and too glammy for me. Then I found my flower picks. And these are the small, these are the medium, and this is large. And I just ran to Wally Mart, and I got some tea lights, and we're gonna place them. This got a 6-pack because I could not find the battery operated ones that I normally use. So we're gonna place them down in here. So we have some type of ambience. You're taking a nice hot bubble bath. Okay, so that is done. And then, shopping in my closet, I found some white plain washcloths. And then I found some nice gray ones. So this is gonna give like a spa atmosphere. I think it was like a 3-pack with this one. But this is a backup, and then I have the hand towel. I don't know where the other one of this one is, but I've just bought these out. And like I said, I ran to Walmart. I found, oh, this pretty candle. It's called Hidden Springs. And child, I haven't even lit it yet. Let's just say, oh, it's gonna be fabulous in here. Fabulous in here. And then I bought some wax melts in the Caribbean Sea Breeze and linen. So I'll bring like my wax melt machine in here and light that up one night. We already used these, and I'll put these up for another time. And I decided, I said, well, let me go again in the garage, and because I had these dollar store jars. Everybody's seen these. And it holds my lemonade body scrub. And all I did was find a old Dollar Tree candlestick holder, and I just put some 6000 on here, and got that up and got that glued on. This is another beautiful candlestick that I thrifted for about 79 cents. This is my what is this called? Brown Sugar Sister body scrub. So I just threw that one in that drawer. And this was another DIY that I had did many years ago. And this was a Dollar Tree candlestick holder as well. And I just put my So Fabulous lavender soaps in there that I make homemade. And I'm going to be getting back into doing my product line. Just to reiterate, I'm just trying to get that garage situated and get it cool so I can begin to get my soaps and everything back online at my Etsy page. So far I found some really nice pieces. I think you may have seen this. This was a thrift find last year. So we're gonna utilize this in the tub. And if you remember a couple months ago, I had bought 2 new Glam mirrors and I was asking y'all about these vases. Well, I found a place for them. I bought them in and I put them right here in the corner. And I thought that looks fabulous. Let's see if you can see it. Let's turn it around. Oh, nope, this is my ball one that I just made, and then my glitter vase. Let's turn it around to see if you can see it. And I'm gonna go do a up and personal with you, but I just wanted to show that's where I put it. So, and then I have my gray towels that I'll be utilizing in the bathtub. Alright, that was a workout for me. Whew. I'm glad I'm getting this ready for y'all so I can get in this evening. Alright, so what we're going to do, I am just going to climb into the tub, rearrange my my little DIY potpourri jars, if you want to call them. These arrange. Get these in the corner. That way when I'm in the tub, I can reach it. I am still doing laundry, so I know I have more towels to add, but I'm gonna put these towels right here. It's easier for me to get. Now, my white towels I usually just use for makeup, and these more luxury towels I use to wash with. So I'll just sit them on top like so. Okay, and I still have more towels I gotta put there. We're gonna place this over in the corner like so. Let me show you. And then that way I can light my candles when I get in. Then I have these 2 beautiful pieces. So I'm going to place these there. You can use one as a candle holder. There. Then I have this decorative jar that I got from the Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is just transfer some bubbles out of this jar and into this glass one. So we're going to stop talking. Now we're getting ready to move in where I was telling you where I want to hang those flowers. I want it to be like a cascade, and that would be like your eye opening as soon as you come into my bathroom. So I'm gonna do a walk back, and like bam, as soon as you come in, you see the flowers. So I'm gonna get the stand, get it set up, and then we're gonna get to getting the flowers hung up, and I'll be right back. What my idea was is to hang that up like so. And I'm gonna have to probably go get the step ladder. I'm tall, but I ain't that tall. And I think I'm gonna have one flower come in over here. So And then that way I can have a small one here. All right, I'm back. Went and got my ladder. Feel safer on this ladder. Just standing on top of the toilet. So I'm just going to take the bottom of these. I don't know, I think we're going to remove this one. I'm not liking that over there. But as you can see how it's going to be coming down? I think we're going to stick them all over here. I like that better. And that's it. It's like cascade coming down. I may go get some more and another medium to reverse it on this wall, but for right now I'm gonna have it coming down there. Then I got to thinking about, like, I need something pretty to hang in my bathroom. So once again, because I have not hanged up any of my pictures yet. Y'all, excuse me, it is hot in here. I believe my husband be turning my air conditioning off. So I'm gonna just put the hole in. And I have the screws. This screwed in. That's in there. And it is on the joint. And this is the beautiful mosaic art that I made about 2 years ago. Yes, I did this by myself. So I was not going out to pay $80 and $90 for a piece when I want it to be something that I can look at and say, I did this. So I think this piece right here really now sets off my master bathtub. Now, I'm not going to show you the reveal yet because I have one more item that is coming in this Friday. So once that item comes in and I get it set up in the bathroom, I will be back.